No, the two things are entirely different. The reform agenda is on track, and step by step we are moving in this. Now, as far as the BJP is concerned or the government is concerned, we have taken a clear position about any of these unfair attacks which have taken place. But Prime Minister went to the extent of, in that Vigyan Bhavan function, outrightly condemning it in the strongest language. But then we should also be mature enough to distinguish between a crime and a hate agenda. For instance, West Bengal, the rape of the nun seems to be a crime. There are many other cases which appear to be crimes. Now, if any of them is established or even indicated slightly that it's a part of somebody's political campaign, that somebody is attacked a place of worship, we'll certainly take very harsh action against him. The one or two cases in Delhi, people have been arrested, didn't turn out to be political. Therefore, if every community should be mature enough to distinguish between a political attack with a political motivation, or is it a part of a normal crime?
So what's just one supplementary question?
We didn't understand, sir. How can we distinguish? It's an hate. Hatred. Somebody hatred also.
No. If you are clear in your own mind, what was Bengal? What was clear? What happened in Bengal?
That was a crime. Of course, that was a crime.
What happened? Let's see. What happened in Delhi? The two cases where people have been arrested.
But sir, at the same time, there are senior colleagues. Your senior colleagues, for example, Yogi Adityanath, Sadhvi.
No. The individuals.
Who are speaking.
No. Let's be clear. If individuals have said something which was improper, whatever action at the highest level had to be taken to make them keep quiet has been done.